This is Solomon. I'm here to explain you about FCFS and SSTF programming. So first we can see FCFS program, that is my 10th experiment. So we are using a constructor here define FCFS head and Q. So seek underscore operator equal to 0 for I in Q if I is not equals to head. So if this the first letter is not equals to head of the FCFS, if head is greater than I, then define equal to head minus I. Print define seek operations is equals to seek operations plus define head is equals to I. So the head will be I when the seek operation is added with define. So if head is less than or equal to I, then define I equal to 1 minus head. Print define seek, this will be same here. When this is more, this will be taken, this is less, this will be taken. So now let us go for next thing, that is return seek operation after this function. So tracks is equals to int of input, we need to enter the inputs. So disks equal to number of inputs. So tracks is not that mandatory, but disk is equal to int of input. If disk is greater than 0, head equal to int of input, enter the header values. So while not head is in range of disk plus 1, so when the head is not in the range of disk plus 1, head equal to int of input. So it will take the inputs, then Q will be empty, so empty set. For that empty set, Q is equals to list of map of int, these numbers will be added and it will be splitted. For I in Q, if I is less than 0 or I is greater than disk, print of Q's of range. So seek operation equal to FCFS head and Q. So now this will be printed the total number of heads moved. So let me run this code. So first FCFS, and I'll show you the output. So now enter the number of tracks. Okay, so first let us enter the number of track. Okay, now I'll give something like 8. Okay, now disk let it be 200 or something. Okay, now enter the header value, so I'll enter as 55. Now I need to give 8 values. So 8 values, actually I have typed it in my notepad and kept it. So text editor, so you can see here FCFS. Okay, I hope you can see, yeah, FCFS. So these numbers I'll take, these are 8 numbers what I can give. You can give any numbers, that is not an issue. So already I have took this and I have given here. Okay, now you can see here 38, 28, 83, 134, 0, 106, 121, and the total number of headers is 661. So this is about FCFS. Now let us go to SSTF. So everything will be same here almost. So header, it will be seeking sequence is empty set, seeking sequence is initialized as a 0, seeking sequence dot append of head. For I in range of length of Q, near underscore number of Q, main range of length of Q, key of lambda I. So if head is greater than near number, define header of near number. So this will be same for both FCFS. Okay, and you can see here return seek operation. So track input, this is also similar. So now here if you see here, if disk is greater than 0, header of input of this value will be taken, while not of head in range of disk plus 1. Head equal to int of input, this will be giving the header value. Q is equals to empty set, Q is equals to list of mapping of int of input. For I in Q is equals to if I is less than 0 and or I is greater than disk, print Q of range of this. So let's run the code, let's see the output. Okay, now it's asking for number of tracks. Okay, let us give the same way, number of tracks, let it be 8, and this will be 200 disks, and values 50. Okay, let's give the header value as 50, and the Q value you can paste the same thing, that's not an issue, or you can paste then another thing. So if I paste same thing also, no issues. So this is an user input, that doesn't matter. So you can see here 80, 26, 0, 66, 58, 30, 20 and 44. So this is about SSTF. I hope you understood. That's all in this video. Thank you everyone.